Alright then guys, it's your man Pix here again. How are we all? Well, I'm quite proud of myself today. I've managed to fix a washing machine, or our washing machine, because it stopped working the other day. Basically what it was, the washing machine was going around. Callum, my son, he went into the kitchen and he said, "What's that funny smell?" And we thought it was just a new washing liquid that we put in because it got a stain on one of his shirts, and we're trying to get that out. And so I says, "Yeah." We thought no, nothing of it. Then next minute, the washing machine stopped. We thought I'd finished the cycle, but no, clothes were absolutely wet through, and they were tripping. They'd not gone through the spin cycle. And what had happened was, and all the lights of the display had gone off. They were dead. So what had happened off the fail-safe in the washing machine had kicked in and stopped it automatically. But what should have happened is the trip safe and the electrics should have cut it as well and tripped the switch, but it didn't, and all the plugs burnt and the plug in the socket is burnt as well. So it could have ended up quite nasty, that, if the argument's sake we put it late on at night and it just set a fire and everything. So yeah, so all I did was change the plug and jobs are good. And me and DIY do not mix. I hate doing flat packs as it is. It's just not good at all. Like, yeah, DIY no good. So yeah, I managed to change the plug in the plug socket in a different plug socket, because I'm going to report that one. And yeah, it works now. It's zooming around as we speak because we're quite high up on the old dirty washing. So yeah, all's good. I'm well chuffed with that, and it saved us a few £100 on a new washing machine. So what I want to know is, what have you been proud of that you have fixed yourself or for somebody else? Let me know in the comments, and I shall respond to every single comment that goes on there. Alright then guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see and you're new around here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That would be absolutely awesome. I will do the same for you, and I'll try and support you as best I can. So yes, and don't forget to like and share the video. That would be most appreciated. Alright then guys, I'm off out tomorrow with Steve Axe from the Yorkshire Job Seekers. We are going to Roach Abbey, so watch out for that video. I know I've been there before, but Steve hasn't been there before, so it'll be all new to him. And I'll show him the little waterfall that's around the back as well. Alright then chaps and chapesses, I shall see you later. Have a good one. Bye.